let's get into the market. So Cassius Pay, you can go ahead and continue about your money, because then we're going to get into a video about war stocks. Unless you want me to do that first.
Go ahead and do it, because I read the notes, so I came prepared with my notes.
Because y'all know I mess with the Master Investor. Shout out to him. Good content, good options in there. But let's go ahead and hear what he got to say about investors. Can they get rich from this war?
I don't think the war is going to last enough for anybody that's not inside of that administration to get rich from it.
Very true.
What should you have exposure to? Tech. If you want to go gas, ExxonMobil, which has been a great pick for a long period of time. And then thirdly, index funds. Mm-hmm. That's it. Now, if you're outside of the market, real estate. But the thing about 2 Tech 2 Index, I designed it to outstand any assassination attempts or completions, any war, any famine, any pandemics, any 10-year droughts, any...
Now, before he continues, he has his own group called Red Panda, I think is what his group is. And so they have a podcast, I think, called Earn Your Leisure. And so that's what he's talking about. He has a group of people where you sign up for his, his classes, his workshops, his group essentially. And they help you set up what your stock situation, what you're looking for the portfolio to be. So anyways, that's what he's talking about when he said, like, I designed. That's what he means by that. Just want to give context there.
Ponzi scheme reveal of asset erasure through circular investment. Every scenario, the dinosaurs coming back, everything. Hold those. So you can add Exxon, you can add tech for sure. But unless you're in that administration, you're not going to get it if I ran.
Yeah, because you're not going to have any inside information, essentially.
Invest in Bitcoin. You'll be good. Here's my big lesson for you. Regardless of what happens regime-wise anywhere internationally, is your portfolio safe? The 4 stocks that I think are AR proof and war proof.
Here we go.
Costco, Walmart, Amgen, Eli Lilly. I don't care what happens in a foreign country. Those 4 will be okay. The question is, given your current configuration of what you have in your portfolio, will yours be fine? Like, my phone was blowing up, and I'm sure yours was. Like, what do you think about the war? It's going to affect my portfolio. I don't think the war.
So, Costco, you said Eli Lilly, Amgen, and I missed one. But I was going to specifically focus on Eli Lilly. But I'm going to go ahead and pass it over to Cassius Pay.
All right. Well, I mean, he's talking about war-proof stocks. Those aren't all necessarily on my list, but some of the war-proof stocks that are on other people's lists are stocks like... If we insist on the continuation of the regime that we're in breaking things in DC, right? So that means Raytheon and Lockheed Martin, people, start pouring into around these times. And if they're quote unquote long-term safe, then what does that say about our foreign policy as a business plan, right? So that's just one piece. But meanwhile, getting into the Eli Lilly piece, they added billions in market cap overnight off one obesity drug. And we don't fix our food and lifestyles. We're just about to create a new monthly bill that rides insurance into retirement. So we already know what that drug is. It seemed like that's people's lifestyle at this point, rather than putting in the work.
Oh, yeah.
And that's stuff that I know about creating playlists too, so I can go ahead and get it in at the gym for that reason alone.
Man, if we could talk about that, man. How
have you feeling? Did it have you in the gym going?
Listen, 100 burpees in almost 22 minutes. That's what that. I don't know what's in that playlist. I'm really big in what my wife always, what do they call those things? But basically waves. Okay. No, sounds and wait, man. Listen, when them bass lines hit, I didn't feel nothing from them 50-pound dumbbells I was doing them burpees with. no, I'm like, this is better than whatever you might be, whatever pill you popping, whatever injection you asking that doctor for. Because at the end of the day, all it is about is motivation. But motivation can be costly. I'd rather you pay for that use of that playlist than going to see that white coat. That's just my thought process. But if people insist on doing that, yeah, like Lily with it. Invest your money because everybody want it quick anyway. So definitely,
Right.
Looking good is gonna always be a commodity. So
Whatever the cost, too, right?
Whatever the cost.
And then what happens is that at first it's exclusive to, say, we'll call it high class or upper class, and then it turns into being made available to everybody through all available means. Why? Because growth. What's growth? Access to more and more capital. You got to make it available to a higher swath of people. You can only start selling to so many people for so much. That's what happened to Versace and everything else, right? It turns essentially a Walmart brand after a while because
not
of
quite
access.
Versace, not quite, but I know what you. I mean,
okay.
I got
Well, how
few
about that
brands.
Eros cologne? Is that the Walmart of colognes these days? Yes or no?
Eros?
Yes.
Yeah, because you can get it at Walmart. Really, yeah, but I'm just saying the overall brand itself. The smell good is one thing. They like, we'll give you a little bit of this sauce for the cheap, but that makes sense though. But Eros smell good.
Yeah, but then it's all over the place. When you start seeing Creed all over the place, all those things, it loses its exclusivity for those reasons, which is I'm fine with because they're all made in the same place. It's not like they're made in the the hills of the Himalayas and they walk it down. All right, so we got our man with the plan, Joe. Average cost of your TikTok. Yep. Dollar cost averaging is probably what he's talking about. Make long term. He's talking about doing
this
options.
Is not financial advice.
It's not.
My guy.
Not.
He understand. You understand? That's where we at with it.
Oh, okay.
We're not advising y'all what to do. Just give me some ideas.
He even got a little gym. Okay.
Signs buzzing in the night. Jamming Dame got the spotlight right. Our squad's here. Yeah, we keep it tight. What's the news? What's the deal? What's the truth we feel? Late night, slow ride, let it flow. Drip talk, real vibes, let it